Aykır.
Hi Gökhan. This is our project, asynchronous electric motor. Let's start with the aim of the exercise.
So our project is about how we start an asynchronous motor in a safe way, without current being too high.
The goal of the exercise is to start the motor with the start, so the current will be lower, and then as the security for the motor we use the fuse, and we also use the phase fader sensor, and for the control circuit we use the fuse.
Asynchronous electric motor is actually a motor which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. By the use of the star delta switch, we can reduce the starting current of the starting machine. But not only the starting current, but also the starting torque will be reduced 3 times smaller.
This is the we're going to use. This is the star delta starting system. So it says 2 phases, 2 states. The first state is 2 contacts will close, and after a set time, the contacts will open and the other 2 will close.
It protects the motor against overload and short circuit.
This is the phase failure sensor. If there is something wrong with the phase, we cannot start the motor.
This is the motor that we use in our installation, and here you can see the properties.
This is our control circuit. You can see that the star circuit. So it's protected with the CTN. It's the phase failure. When there's a phase failure, you cannot start the system. When you start it, the K1 and ECG will start. ECG is the star delta switch. So here you can see K2 is for start. It will open, close, and after a set time it will open. And when it opens, K3 will be activated.
So when we press the start button, K1 and K2 will be activated, so the motor will be running start. But after a few seconds, when K3 will activate and K1 and K2 deactivate. So the motor will run in K1 and K2, and that means that the motor is switched to star, delta. So if there is some sound, that means that the motor switches to delta. These are group engineers from the Triangle of the Galaxies.